Hi there, I'm Anupi with Indian as Apple Pie. Welcome to my Indian ingredient corner, where today I'm going to break down the mystery around an ingredient that I talk a lot about in my recipes, and I always have to add in parentheses optional because a lot of folks don't have access to it. It is not sold in mainstream grocery stores, but it is an essential spice to especially us Punjabis doing Punjabi cooking. It is fenugreek. I'm not sure if you've ever even heard of it. Fenugreek comes in three forms. It comes in the seed form, comes in the fresh leaf form, and then it comes in this form, which is dried leaves. It's just green dried leaves. Almost kind of looks like mint dried, but it's not. It's got a completely different aroma, completely different taste profile from mint, from cilantro, from all these other herbs. It kind of almost tastes like watercress because it has that little bit of a bitter profile to it. So the way we use it typically is, and a little bit does go a long way. We don't need a lot, probably about a tablespoon, so I just grab a bunch, and you'll want to crush it in your hand to truly release all the flavor. This can go into a curry, it can be sprinkled in with a stir-fry vegetable, especially a root vegetable like sliced carrots, believe it or not. We love carrots with methi. You could put it into some parsnips, possibly, some turnips, but especially potatoes. And if you want to use it in potatoes, you can cook your potatoes first or cook them on the stovetop. A little bit of oil, saute the potatoes together, and put some warm water in here. Let this sit for about 20 minutes, and then take those softened leaves and put it in with your potatoes, some garam masala, some spices. So it is a great ingredient to get into your day, not just day to day, but also we've got a big holiday coming up, Thanksgiving. It's a fantastic little herb to put in to, say, your stuffing, or maybe get it into your mashed potatoes, or maybe throw it in with some sweet potatoes to give you a little bit of the tangy along with the sweet. Why is this herb so healthy for you? Well, anything that has a bitter taste profile is incredibly healthy for us. Look it up. It is a great little herb to get into your day-to-day. And if you love making Indian breads, especially paranthas, which are rotis that are stuffed with other little morsels, fenugreek is the way to go. Now, let's just show you what you're going to look for when you go to the Indian grocery store. This is the box that you probably have seen so many times if you do visit Indian grocers, and it looks kind of unique and compelling, but you're like, wait a minute, let me look at that. It's a big yellow and green box. It's got some leaves on it. It's got a bird on it. What is it? It's called Kasuri Methi. Kasur refers to the town in Punjab, Pakistan, that fenugreek grew wild in. That's one of the stories out there, and that's why a lot of the methi is called Kasuri Methi. But what you really want to read is here in English, it says dried fenugreek leaves. So this is the box you want to look for. Maybe you'll find it in a bag, a clear bag, but something like this that says Kasuri Methi, dried fenugreek leaves on it. You can find it at an Indian grocer. You can also find it online at your favorite source for Indian groceries, but it certainly is an amazing ingredient to get into your day-to-day, filled with antioxidants, super healthy for you, and incredibly delicious. Well, thanks for watching. I'm Anupi with Indian as Apple Pie. If you want more tips and tricks, head to my website, www.indianasapplepie.com. You could head to me on Facebook, same name, on Instagram, or go to my new YouTube channel. I've got lots of how-to videos on there. Subscribe if you can. And again, it's all under Indian as Apple Pie. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye. Happy cooking.